how visitor can access your site. I just got a question from one of my students now, and it was actually a very great question. How can visitor view your site? Important, I explained in one of the past modules that there's what we call the back end of your site, back end of your site, and there's also what we call the front end of your site. Now I told you guys that the front back end is where the magics happens. That's where it's only accessible by the admins. Now let me explain this backend. It's only accessible by what? The admin. That means the people that are really designing the website. They are the one that has the access to the back end. Visitor does not have access to the back end because giving the link of the back end to your visitors will only take them to your WordPress, and which it will ask them a password and a login details, so they won't be able to have access to it. So it is only accessible by the admins, you understand, and only those that are given access to, you understand. And this is where the magic happens. This is where the main design happens, you understand. I explained in that class about this. I said that what you do in the back end, what you do in the back end of your site is what shows in the back end of your site is what shows in the front end of what of your site. So the front end, let me now explain the front end. The front end of your site is actually the end that can only be viewed by the visitors, you understand. It can only be viewed by what? That's what I'm saying. How visitor can access your site, it can only be viewed by the visitors. So not only by the visitors, the admins too can view it to see how their works are actually going, how beautiful their work is, you understand. It's viewed by both the visitor and the admin, you understand, but mainly by the visitor. It's mainly meant for the visitors. The back end is only for the admins, you understand. And the main purpose is for them to what? Is for them to design, because we are the only one, we the web designers, we are the only one that has access to what? To the back end of our website. So that's just the way it is. So I hope you understand this. Now what I mean backend, for example, I think I make some example in the last some class like that. I said for example, now Amazon, let's say amazon.com. Now this is a site that you see. Now I explained that this is the front end of this website, this amazon.com. This what you are seeing, because you are a visitor. You are not an admin in this for this website. You are not an admin, you are just a visitor. So this link which you have, the amazon.com, is actually the website link for only the visitor to view the website, you understand, for only the visitors. So that's why you can see we can view this thing. Now in the back end of the website, those people that designed it, they are the one that designed it to look like this, you understand. For example, they are the one that make this search button to be like a light yellow. They are the one that put this thing here. They are the one that put this, they put a lot of things, yeah, you understand. So these things they put there makes the website to look like this. So all these things you are seeing in the front end was designed in the back end, you understand. All these things you are seeing here, this product, all this product, where it was placed at the back end. So now when they place it at the back end, when visitor comes to view it in the front end, they will see it just like this in the front end, you understand. You understand very more when we start building our website. Now for example, maybe at the back end, the designers came to change this design. They take it away, you understand, and they put this one to this place, you see, and they put this one to this place. What we see that when the visitor comes back to view it, the way it was changed by the designers, that's the way you will see it, because the back end is what controls the front end of the website, You understand? Now let's do some practicals. Let me show you some stuff. Now let me go to my own site, the digital nexus I was working on, and you see some stuff out there. Now I'm already in my WordPress installer. The WordPress I installed some in some of the modules I did back. Now you could see that I'll show you something. Now this what you have here is, let me show you something. This one you have here is the site of your website. That's the link for the visitors to view your website. You understand? But this one you have here is actually is for only meant for the admin. Is access to the back end. The first one is access to the front end. This one is access to the front end. This one is access to the back end. You understand? Now let's view it. Let me view it for you. Let me click on it. You see it? Can you see? This is my raw website. Can you see? This is my raw website. This is my website that has not yet been worked on. Can you see Digital Nexus? It has not yet been worked on. You understand? It's just like a raw website. It's just like a raw website. So, but if I'm to access the other one, you see it's this one is meant, this link here. Let me go back. The link here is actually the link for only visitors to access. So if I'm to do this, I'm going to copy that link. Let me do it in your presence so you can see what I'm doing. I'll send it to my people. Okay, copy it. Let me copy it so you can see what I'm saying. So I'll copy. Can you see? This is the copy stuff. You see, I'll copy it. I'll copy it. So when I've copied it, yes, I can now paste it to anybody, for anybody to see. Okay, let me take it to this my notepad. So I'll paste it here. Can you see? This is it. Yeah, so this link I pasted here, this link is my website link, which is only accessible by the front end people. You understand? Only accessible by what? The front end, the visitors. So the other one is meant for the back end. So when I come here, let me go back to where I was. Let me go back to where I was, and this is it. You click on this place to go to your admin. You click here to go to admin. This side, you click on it to go to admin. So let me click on it, so it will take me directly to my admin. But meanwhile, I think it should ask me a password. You see, it takes me back. This is back end. Can you see? It takes me to the back end. This is where the magic is, which I told you guys. This is where the magic is. This is where you are going to do your designs, which will show. Now the reason why my website is looking at that way, raw website, because I've not done anything on it. So when I start doing something on it from this back end, which I am, it will change the front end of my website. You see, when we start building websites, you will see you understand what I'm explaining. Now come and see something. You can view it from here too. Just click here. You see view site. Can you see view site? Can you see view site? You can see view site. So you can also view your website from here. Let me click on that view site. You see it will take me to what I was actually. Can you see again? Can you see what I'm saying? So this is, and you can also click the link, copy it. Can you see? So this is actually the site. So if you want to show someone your website, you want to make people to see your website, the only thing you are just going to do is to come here, click on it, copy the link and send it to the group. So let me give you guys an assignment even from this. So you guys you should do this and submit it to me. Everybody, assignment, send your link, send your raw website link to the group, our WhatsApp group, so I can check it out. So send your, what's it called, your raw. Can you see mine now? You can see mine here. Everybody, I hope you can see mine here. This is my own. You can see it here. Can you see? This is my own. So send your own to the WhatsApp group. you understand, our WhatsApp group, so I could view it from there. If I click on this now, you can you see what is bringing me? It's actually a link to my website. You can see when I click on it, I open it in the browser. Can you see? Takes me to my website. You understand? That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. So let me go back to where I was the other time. Where. Okay. I think this is where I was. Let me go back. So this is my dashboard. This is the back end, guys. Hello guys, this is the back end view website. This is the front end. Can you see the difference? This front end is only viewed by visitors. The back end is only meant for the admins, for the designers. We, the web designers, is only meant for us. So that's the difference. So I've taught you how to copy your link. You understand? So do that, send it to the group, and let's get it straight. Thank you.